channel. Rewind. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we're going to be cooking some spaghetti. You don't even notice, but we have the ingredients here. I really need to hurry guys. I have something for school and it's important. I need to go to Zoom. One like for viewers, to subscribe to Charmaine's channel so Charmaine will have more time with her viewers. But anyways you guys, let's get started. Let's go on to these ingredients first. This is the condensed milk, you guys. As you can see, C-O-N-D milk. It's milk. Then we have here tuna, Century tuna, Lear tuna. And we have 2 of them, you guys, because who knows? What if we run out? Doink! Oh no! Doink! But anyways, you guys, we have some salted butter here, you guys, for the spaghetti or something. Here we have the black pepper, you guys, to get some taste in it. And some wonderful Tillamook yellow cheese, you guys. I always use this for breakfast. And now we're going to cook spaghetti, you guys. And also, guys, I have something to tell you. We are cooking spaghetti because today is my dad's birthday. He's literally on work, you guys. Not in work. He's like he's doing it like that. So we're gonna be cooking spaghetti, you guys. So that's why you see cheese. So here, looks at the time. It's 11:51. And then anyways, you guys, here we have this very wonderful tomato sauce because it has and guys, we have more spaghetti sauce. And we even have this one here. Then this one is some oil, which looks like some olives that people throw. And this bottle looks like olives that people throw on each other when they have fight. But guys, this is olive oil, by the way, because it looks like olive oil. Then we have some spaghetti ones. So here we have some used ones, you guys. It's pretty heavy. Then we have some ones that my dad just bought at the store yesterday. And yeah, guys, let's move on to the vegetables, which we have these mushrooms, guys. Sorry if they look like this is onions. Comment for the onions. Take your beep. Then we have some garlic, right? And we have some carrots for bunnies, like here, you guys. We have these green things. We have these green things, guys, which is celery, you guys. Then we have green pepper, like black pepper. Then we have red pepper here, you guys. Alright, you guys, this is going to be all of the ingredients. I need to hurry up. Looks at the time again. It's 11:53, you guys. I need to fall. Ears. Make sure to click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me huge thumbs up, you guys. And also, don't skip the short ads, guys, please. And I know if it's like 1,000 seconds, you may skip it, you guys. I'm super duper sorry for me doing that. You don't have to skip the ads, but please, for my supporters, don't skip the ads. But you guys, let's get on to cooking. Looks at time again. It's 11:54. What?
Hi guys, magsimula na tayo sa pagluluto. Ito na. Unang step, lalagay tayo ng oil. Ito, olive oil. painitin lang natin ng mantika. Next, mainit na. Ilalagay na natin itong garlic. Then, pag medyo brown na, ilagay na natin ang onion. Lalagyan na natin itong yung tuna, guys. Inalis ko yung sauce na nito, yung sabaw ng tuna. Malalaki yung sunod na natin itong guys, green pepper, ilagay na rin natin itong red pepper, next ilagay na natin itong CELERY. Ilagay na rin natin itong guys, carrots. Ilagay na rin natin itong mushroom. Haluin lang natin, guys. Tapos, takpan natin. Ano lang natin within 5 minutes. Tingnan na natin, guys. Ilagay muna natin ito. Natin, guys, itong sauce. Ayan siya, guys, maasim ko para hindi yung kanina, yung dalawang sauce. Tapos, ito siya maasin. Tapos guys, ilagay ko na rin yung cheese. Yung cheese kanina. Guys, lagyan na natin itong condensed milk. Sarap nito guys. Next, ilagay na rin natin itong black pepper. Lagyan natin. Para maanghang-anghang yung sauce. Malapot siya pa. Tapos lagyan natin guys ng kaunting salt. And then haluin natin. Ito na siya guys. So, naluto na. Masarap. Malapot po. Ganito ako magluto na spaghetti sauce. May gulay. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoy my cooking. Thanks. Ngayon naman, magluto ako ng noodles. Ito. Para partner doon sa sauce na niluto ko kanina. Una, maglagay tayo ng kapakulo ng tubig. Tapos maglagay ng asin para magkaroon ng lasa yung noodles. And then, maglagay tayo ng mantika, oil, para hindi magdikit-dikit yung noodles. Tapos, kumukulo na siya, no? Kumukulo na. Ilalagay na natin itong noodles. Matanda na luto na guys yung noodles. So, yung ganito. So, yung ganito. Ayun, makita. Ay guys, luto na siya guys. Lipat na natin. Ito na siya guys. Guys, ready to eat na. Sarap. Thank you for watching, guys.
Alright, guys, we need to pray first, so let's pray. Dear God, thank you for this food. But anyways, you guys, we've got this now. Here's the best part: to slurp it all, and you guys take some cheese with me. And like, raw. We just eat it right. That was really yummy. So, guys, this might sound a little bit weird, you guys, but every time my mom cooks something new, I check my first bite, and I'm already full. But you guys, the solution to that is to drink water. I'm like full now. I feel like I ate a whole house meal right now, you guys. The solution to that is drink water. So I'm gonna, good thing this glass is here, guys. I'm gonna drink it. Alright, guys, I drank some water here, you guys, and now I just feel like I ate it, and you guys, so I'm gonna eat more. Sorry guys, you can't see me eat more, you guys. I'm super duper sorry, you guys, that you can't see me eat. It's just like our videos will be way too long, and I just really want to eat in peace, like hallelujah. So you guys, make sure to click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give huge thumbs up, you guys. Bye. Wear your mask and be safe always, and be careful wherever you go.